All right, let's tackle a question that often comes up after a car accident. Can the police search my car? To understand the answer, it helps to start with the Fourth Amendment, which protects us from unreasonable searches and seizures. The key here is determining what's reasonable, which is a balance between your right to privacy on the one hand and public safety on the other. For example, if the police want to search your home, they usually need a warrant. But if a murder suspect with a weapon is seen running into your house, the police can, thankfully, let themselves right in. When it comes to searching people, an officer must have a reasonable suspicion that the person is armed or involved in criminal activity before they can briefly stop and frisk them. This is what's known as a Terry stop. This same balance between safety and privacy applies to searching your vehicle, but there are a couple of nuances. Generally, the police need a warrant to search your car, but since cars are mobile and any evidence could, drive away, the Supreme Court made a few exceptions. Here are 3 situations in which police can search your car without a warrant. Number 1, search incident to arrest. If you are arrested after an accident, police may search your vehicle without a warrant, but only if they think you might access the vehicle to grab a weapon or destroy evidence, or if they believe there's evidence related to the reason for your arrest inside the car. Number 2, consent to search. If you give the police permission to search, they don't need a warrant. This one's completely up to you. Just know that your consent must be voluntarily given. Number 3, probable cause. Police can search your car without a warrant if they have probable cause. In other words, if they reasonably believe there's evidence of a crime, contraband, or illegal items in your car. Now this requires more than just suspicion. There must be some objective evidence or circumstance that the officer can articulate. Now, being in a car accident doesn't automatically give police the right to search your car. They still need probable cause, your consent, or some other legal reason to search. But if the police legally impound your car, they can do what's called an inventory search. Here's where the police might impound your car. Number 1, you have outstanding citations or an invalid license. Number 2, your car is evidence in a crime, like a hit and run. Number 3, there's a public safety concern. Say it's blocking traffic or abandoned. Number 4, the car is too damaged after the accident to drive away safely. Number 5, you're arrested and there's no one else around to take the car. Last point, police dogs. The Supreme Court says that if a police dog sniffs around the outside of your car during a lawful stop, it doesn't actually count as a search. So if the dog signals that there's something suspicious, like drugs, inside the car, then the officer has probable cause and can search your car without a warrant. All right, that's a quick rundown of your Fourth Amendment rights when it comes to searches after an accident. If you want more details, including case examples, check out the link below.